right, let's see if this one will post. Tried to post something about this a couple days back. Didn't happen. But the 63 C10 got the inner fender well all painted, bead rolled, all put in. Turned out pretty nice. Got the battery hidden underneath, and then I bead rolled the panels to match the top. And then well, the video that I didn't post, I was talking about mounting the battery right here, which is awesome. Worked out perfect. Made a little cover for it. Still got to make another bracket from the battery to another factory mount that the inner fender well did bolt up to, so that way it's got more structure, more to hold on to. That's about it. Got one side done. Now I gotta do the other side, which is gonna be fun. I gotta mount this bilge pump and the tank, and that runs through the intercooler for the supercharger. So I'll get all that mounted, get everything all cleaned up. But yeah, progress, baby, getting there.